super rent boost. That's twice a month. That's not a big deal. But yeah, my yearly earnings is $645.91 a year. But so far this year, I think I made only about $280, and I have spent $340, and I am strongly considering spending and reinvesting my way to the 2x tier, because that way, when I do that, I can get to the 2x tier faster, and then I'm going to go ahead, take off Explorer Club, except for day 90, and then just kind of coast and make money that way. Yeah, it's insane to set alarms. Yeah, no, guys, don't do the 20-minute setup alarm stuff, guys. Please don't do the. You typically do 24/7 because you wake up to pee in the middle of the night anyway. So I just boost while. Yeah, I mean, if you do wake up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom, I mean, I have Crohn's disease. I used to have that problem too. I do not know if how many have I done? Okay, I've done 12. That's 22 plus the 2 missing. Okay, yeah, so I've done 12. So this is the 13th. Bingo Blitz, this does not count as a fake game ad. So we're at 13 and still no fake game ads. That's nice. Yeah, please don't set up alarms, guys, for this stuff. This is focus on your health first. Let me tell you something, all right? All right, this is going to be a PSA for y'all. But I'm going to go ahead. Okay, so $645.91, right? If I go and I make it 24 hours, I'm earning $660.01 a year. That's $15 more a year, okay? But your health would degrade to a point where you're going to have hospital bills that will cost more than $15 a year. So put your health first before doing any of this. Even if you are Stealth G605, let me do Stealth G605's number. All right, let me do Stealth G605's number. If it will load. Okay. Even Stealth G605. Let me write them up. 24,731, 14,736, 7441, 2463. Okay, even at his level, if we did 22 hours, 18,916 a year, right? 24 hours, 19,150 a year. It's a $300 a year difference. And if you're putting that much into this game and you're giving up that much sleep, I guarantee you your medical bills are going to be more than $300 a year. I don't think any amount of money, in my opinion, at first is even worth doing that. But yeah, in my opinion, please focus on health first. I'm the crazy one. Don't do what I do. I'm the one that's doing 20 different money apps to make money so that I have it back to you guys, so that I can use it for the channel, so that I can use it to focus on my own life too. This is my part-time job. This should just be something you do in your free time, in the toilet, in bed, while watching TV, not something that you should do for a part-time job or try to do any sort of sacrifice for. All right, now that I've had my PSA, let me go ahead and put this back.